Okay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys.
Okay guys, that was on a lighter note. For returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you for watching this video. And for those who have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do like, share and comment if this video helps you in any way. Thank you all so much. So here with me today is my friend Uche. She walked into my studio and told me that she needed her brows to be carved, and I decided to help her out with it. She said that she didn't want it to be too slim or too big either. So I'm just going to show you guys how I was able to do that. So the first thing you want to do is to put the brow below into a frame like this, the way you can see me do in this video. You need to make sure that you have a mascara wand and a razor with you, and then after putting it into a frame, you have to like give it a particular shape that you want the brow to be. After putting it into a frame, pick up your mascara wand or whatever brush you have right there, brush the brow hair down like this, because you are still going to have some fallout, you're still going to have some excess hair falling outside that frame. And once you have that, all you have to do is to cut it out, like just carve those excess hairs out of the frame so that it looks really neat. So this is how it is going to look like if you follow my method. And then after working on the brows below, the next thing you have to do is to go above. So right now I'm just going to go above her brow and then put it into a frame, just the same way I did underneath her brow. I'm going to put it into a frame. We're putting it into a frame because I want the brow to have a particular shape. I want it to have a curve. I don't want it to be too flat. But basically this is just the normal rule, this is just the normal method in carving brows. So I'm going to put it into a frame, and then after doing that, I'll use the mascara wand, or like I said, you can use any brush that you have right there that can enable you do this. And I'm just going to brush the brow hairs out upwards. So any hair that falls outside that frame, that's the top of her brow, any hair that falls outside the frame, I'm just going to carve it out. As simple as that. So this is what I'm going to keep doing. I'm going to keep adjusting and adjusting, carving and carving until I'm comfortable with what I have. Like I said before, I like my brows really looking, curved. I like it to look really arched. So that's what I'm doing. Basically, I'm just carving and carving. So you have to keep carving until you're comfortable with what you have. And once you carve it like this, you discover that everything just stays intact until it grows back again. So at this moment, I'm just adjusting. I'm just cutting out the excess hair until I am comfortable with what I have. Believe me, she loved these brows. It was just what she wanted. So once you're done with the first brow, go over to the second brow and try to make it look same as the first brow. So I'm just going to repeat the same method again. Brush up your brows and then put it into a frame. So below the brow, you want to put it into a particular frame, and then after putting it into a frame, brush the brow hairs downwards. So any hair that falls outside that frame, you have to cut it out, just carve it out. And once you're doing this, you really need to be careful so that you do not cause any form of injury on your client. And you need to make sure that it is a new blade that you are using. As simple as that. So we are just at this point, we are just cutting the excess hair that is outside that frame. So once you're done with the hairs below, go over to the top of her brow and then put it into a frame again. So I'm just going to wait until we are right there. So once you're done with that, put the brow hairs on top into a frame. Put it into a frame and then brush up the brow hairs again and cut the excess hairs outside the frame. As simple as that. So you need to keep doing this until you're comfortable with what you have. So right now I'm just adjusting the brow underneath so that it gives me that very nice curve. I don't like my brows looking flat. I've been saying that. I like it to have a particular curve. So I'm just going to keep adjusting until I have what I want. So at this point, we are working with the top of the brow. I'm just putting it into a frame like this. And then after putting it into a frame, I'm going to brush up the brow hairs. And any brow hair that falls outside that frame, I'm just going to cut the excess out of the frame. As simple as that. So I'm just going to let you guys to enjoy the rest of this video. So the rest of the video is just me basically, like most of the video remaining is just me basically adjusting and adjusting until I'm good with what I have. So right now, this is about the end of the video. I decided to stop talking because I discovered that I was just talking and talking and talking, and I was even tired myself. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share. Don't forget to also comment in the comments section. Thank you all so much for watching this video. See you all in my next. Don't forget that I have some other videos that are also going to help you all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.